Today I'll show you how to hook up a laptop to another monitor. You want to get all your stuff ready, get another monitor, have your laptop or whatever you want to hook up to it ready. Alright. There's a cord like this in the back of your monitor. It's usually already attached to it. Alright, but what you want to do is get it, and for my laptop it hooks up to the back right over here, and or just get the one that fits into here and screw it in so it doesn't come out. And in some cases it'll go directly to it, but in others you're gonna have to configure some settings on your computer. Alright, well that's it, and check out more of our videos and subscribe and follow us on twitter.com/howtojump.